Hey guys, welcome back to Festive Creations by Stephanie. Today we're going to make a grapevine wreath using one of our metal sublimated signs that we make right here at Festive Creations. So come along, I'm going to show you what I did and how it turned out. First thing I did was I started with the sign. I usually use some DAP Rapid Fuse glue to attach some cable mount ties to the back of the sign, and then I weed some pipe cleaners through those cable mount ties so I can attach my sign to my base. And in this particular case, we're using a grapevine as our base today. So I get that all tied on there, and then usually I'll do a shake test. We don't want that sign to go anywhere. And then we're going to go ahead and get started on our florals, getting those together. But first, the pumpkin. This is kind of the center of attention once you see it all put together, this cream pumpkin. So what I did was I took some wooden skewers and poked some holes in the bottom of my foam pumpkin. And I went ahead and then added some steel picks in there by hand. And then that way I can add some glue to those steel picks, and then I can just slide that right into the grapevine. As you can see, we just slid it right in there, and then I'll go back and reinforce that with some hot glue behind it. I used the DAP Rapid Fuse glue just to get those secured into the pumpkin themselves. So then once I get the pumpkin secured, you guys, we're going to get some beautiful fall greenery, and we're going to start working our way around the grapevine. We're going to take some of our hot glue. I have a skillet sitting next to me. I know you guys can't see it, but there is a skillet of hot glue sitting next to me. I'm just dipping those florals and greenery into that hot glue, and then when I figure out where I'm going to place it, I stick it right into the grapevine. And so we just keep repeating this process all the way around with the greenery. And then after I get the greenery base going, we're going to go right in with some florals. One of the florals I started with is our gypso, and then also some orange, I like to call it flower leaves. It just gives it that little subtle hint of color without a huge big floral. It is super beautiful, and it really makes it a nice, elegant, modern look to it. So I'll go in, and I also added some chrysanthemums, and those are beautiful as well. It really gives it a different color tone. It's kind of a burgundy color. And so again, I'm just going back with that hot glue, just making sure everything is secured in place because we never want it to come apart. So final things we're going to add is some pumpkins, and these little pumpkins are also made, or we also have those at Festive Creations. And oh, don't forget about the sunflower. How beautiful did this turn out, you guys? Adding those pumpkins, adding that sunflower, look at it.